Welcome to English Stories. Real stories, real emotions, and a new way to learn English. They spoke in English. They laughed, connected, belonged. And I sat in silence, wishing I could be part of the conversation. That moment changed my life. I knew I had to find my voice. My name is Aliana, and I want to share something deeply personal with you. Not just a story, but the journey of how I learned English. Alone, slowly, but with heart. I was 21 when I took a journey from France to Germany. It was supposed to be an adventure. New places, new people, new experiences. But I wasn't prepared for one thing. English. At the train station. In cafes. In hostels. Everyone was speaking English. It was the common language connecting people from all over the world. Except me. I knew some words. Could say, hello, thank you, how are you? But when someone tried to speak to me, froze. My heart would race. I would smile, pretending I understood. But the truth was, I felt small, invisible, ashamed. I remember sitting on that train, watching people laugh and talk. And I felt like I didn't belong. That night I cried. Not because I didn't know English, but because I let that stop me from connecting. And then I made a promise. I would never let language make me feel powerless again. The next day I started with something simple. Not a classroom, not a course. I just put on my headphones and I listened. Podcasts, audiobooks, slow English conversations. First, I didn't understand much. Paused every 10 seconds, rewound, listened again. But every time I listened, something grew inside me. A new word, better rhythm, a stronger voice. Then I started reading simple books in English. Books I already knew in French. I read out loud, slowly, daily. First I sounded robotic. My pronunciation was bad, but I kept going. My daily English routine. Here's what I did and still do. Listen daily, even if you don't understand everything. Read out loud 1 page a day. Think in English, simple thoughts. Speak to yourself in the mirror or walking. Repeat phrases like a song chorus. Believe even when progress feels slow. One day while walking in a park in Germany, a tourist asked me for directions in English. And guess what? Answered. Not perfectly, not fluently, but confidently. And when I walked away, I smiled and cried. This time, tears of pride. What I've learned. Learning English is not just about grammar. It's not about having a perfect accent. It's about connection. It's about believing you belong in the conversation. I was once scared to say a full sentence. Today I can share my story with the world. And so can you. If you're watching this and you feel scared, if you've stayed silent in a room where everyone else spoke English, if you've ever felt small because of language, I'm here to tell you, you are not alone. You're not too late. And you are enough. Your English will grow if you feed it daily. And one day you'll speak, not perfectly, but freely. If this story touched you, Don't forget to follow Soul Speak Tales for more emotional journeys and English learning inspiration.